Now next one. What is given here? Can you see the next one? What is given here? It is the khabar that has been given. So we have to bring a proper mubtada. But then we have to bring it from our head. It's not mentioned here. And mubtada is marfu and it is also definite. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? It is definite. Fine. Nazifun. Something is nazifun. Something is clean. Are you with me? Tell me. Al-kamisu nazifun. So you started with al. Mubtada. Are you with me, brothers? Al-kamisu. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Next one is maksurun. Something is broken. Al-kalamu maksur. So you are bringing now mubtadas. Very good. Baridun. Something is cold. Al-ma'u baridun. Al-labanu. Whatever you want to think of. Karibun. Karibun. Al-masjidu karibun. Or al-baytu karibun. Whatever you can say. Okay, brother? Something is far. An-najmu or al-kamaru. Al-kamaru baidun. Very good, brother. Somebody is standing. At-tabibu or al-mudarrisu or al-waladu waqifun. Koi khada hai na? So we put that person in as a mubtada. Al-mudarrisu waqifun. Inshallah. Somebody is sitting, brother. Who's sitting? Al-muhandisu jalisun or al-waladu jalisun. Are you with me, brothers? Okay. Now, something is very big. Al-baytu kabirun. You can say, when you drive down Bayview and, Lawrence, you see all those monster homes, Then when you are driving, you can say, Hazal baytu kabirun. This house is a big, Al-baytu kabirun. Okay. Fine, brothers and sisters. Something is old. Huh? Yes, you can say al-rajulu. The man is old. Yes. Al-kitabu kadimun, al-kalamu kadimun, as-sariru kadimun, whatever. But it will be with al. Because you're using mubtada now, bringing in mubtada. Very good, brothers. Something is new. At-talibu jadidun. The student is new. Or al-mudarisu jadidun. Or al-kalamu jadidun. Al-kitabu jadidun. Al-kursiyu jadidun. You can say anything you want. You will be able to use simple sentences now, brother. And you will be able to make your own sentences. So, brothers and sisters, al-jumlatul ismiyatu. What did I say? Nominal sentence. Al-jumlatul ismiyatu has got two parts. In English we say subject and predicate. In Arabic we say mubtada and khabar. They are both always marfu. They will end with a dhamma. They will end with a dhamma. And the mubtada is most of the time definite. And khabar most of the time. Sometimes it can be definite. Most of the time indefinite. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now, can you see here Muhammadun Rasulullahi? What kind of sentence is this? Jumla ismiya. What kind of a sentence is this? Because it started with Muhammad. This is not Jumla ismiya. This is not, Jumla ismiya here. Okay? This is ismiya, but we'll learn later on, inshallah. This is not Jumla ismiya. Okay? But this is Jumla ismiya. Muhammadun. So where is Mubtada? Muhammad. It has got tanween. Is it definite, indefinite? Definite. Why it is definite? Because it is a proper noun. Name. Fine, brother. How about this? Allahu. Definite. What is this? Jumla ismiya. What is this? Mubtada. Where is the khabar of this? Ghafur. Allahu Ghafur. Allah is most forgiving. And here, I'm not going in detail because in the next lessons we'll go in detail. but Muhammad is the Rasul, is the messenger. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So, to wind up, brother, in Arabic, the nouns decline. Are you with me? Their nouns decline. They can end with a Dhamma, or they can end with a Fatha, or they can end with a Kasra. If they end with a Dhamma, we call it Marfu. If they end with a Fataha, we call it Mansub. If they end with a Kasra, we call it Majrur. So, in other words, it's Dun, Dan, and Din. Again, say it loudly. Say it loudly. Dan, Din. Now, if I say Dun, what will you say to me? It's Marfu. What will you say? If I say Dan, what will you tell me? It's Mansub. If I say Din, are you with me? Again I tell you, if I say Dun, if it is Dan, if it is Din, Majrur. If I say Dun, then it is Marfu. And if I say Dan, it's Mansub. And when I say Din, it's Majrur. One more time. If I say Dun, it's Marfu. If I say Dan, it's Mansub. And if I say Din, therefore, Dun Dun Dan Dan Din Din, Dun Dun Dan Dan Din Din, Dun Dun Dan Dan Din Din, Dun Dun Dan Dan Din Din. So that is what it is, brother. Dun Dun Dan Dan Din Din, Dun Dun Dan Dan Din Din, Dun Dun Dan Dan Din Din, Dun Dun Dan Dan Din Din. So what I am saying? Marfu, Mansub, and Majrur. Will you remember this, brother? Marfu, Mansub, Majrur. This terminology you should memorize tonight. Because this is how we will be pointing out to the words. Are you with me? It's easy, brother. My last advice, if you did not understand thoroughly, don't worry. We will repeat it again. And you will, inshallah, get it. So do not be, don't say to yourself, मैं बुड्ढा हो गया हूँ. I am become old. Or मैं बुड्ढी हो गई हूँ. Don't say that, brother. Age is not the barrier. If you have a will, if you have a determination, Allah will make it easy. Okay, are you with me? So tomorrow we'll revise everything, and then the way we are going, brothers and sisters, soon we'll be in the lesson 4, and in lesson 4, Majrur will come. What will come? Majrur will come in lesson 4. But inshallah, we'll go slowly, and we'll keep on revising.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like the video, and to turn on notifications.
أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا